Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings to change AssistiveTouch safely. First, open Settings and go directly to Accessibility. This groups all interaction tools. Once there, tap Touch, because AssistiveTouch lives under touch-related controls. This keeps gestures and hardware options together. Make sure to use the search field if you can't spot accessibility quickly. Now that you've reached the AssistiveTouch entry, you're ready to view its toggle and options. This is the first actionable step toward turning it off and adjust. Now that you're on the AssistiveTouch page, look at the top switch. This directly enables or disables the floating control. Tap the toggle to off. You will see the button disappear immediately from the screen, which confirms the change. If you rely on the accessibility shortcut, make sure AssistiveTouch isn't still tied to a triple-click home or side button so it doesn't reappear. Once toggled off, review the menu items only if you plan to re-enable later. That prevents accidental reactivation. Finish by verifying the floating AssistiveTouch button is gone across apps and the lock screen. That confirms success. If the button still shows, restart your iPhone to clear temporary state, and make sure AssistiveTouch isn't assigned to the accessibility shortcut under Accessibility shortcut. If problems continue, toggle AssistiveTouch on then off again, because that refresh forces the UI to update. Finally, make sure software is current. Updates can fix persistent interface bugs that keep AssistiveTouch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.